gecko. Viewers, you can think about what your country has done for you, and you can think about what you can do for your country. Yes, you can think about what your country has done for you, and at the same time think about what you can do for your country. And then these worry lines might go away a little bit. And I can chillax, smoke a few bongs with Pope Francis over at the Vatican. We can get in the basement museum and reveal all the secrets. King Charles will come over. It'll be nuts. He's on bass guitar.